Hi, my name is Michaela and I am the president of the Slovak Association of Psychology Students and Graduates. In cooperation with EFPSA, we prepare a conference with the title Human Nature, Two Sides of One Mind, Right for You.
My name is Martin, I'm the co-head. I would like to invite you to our conference where you can gain scientific, social and personal boost.
My name is Marian Kuna and I am a Dean of the Faculty of Arts and Letters of the Catholic University of Ružomberok. I'm pleased I will have the chance to host you this November at our beautiful university.
My name is Euka and I'm the head of the administration team. Would you like to attend our conference? Apply as soon as possible and my team might select right you. You'll have the opportunity to attend lectures in this amazing place.
Hello, my name is Peter and I am head of scientific team. My team provides speakers who will provide you with insight into both aspects of human mind.
My name is Janka and I'm the head of the finance team. Thanks to my wonderful team, made the other teams realize all the activities on the conference. Okay, we will let them.
Hi, I'm Dada and I'm head of social team. And we would like to present you Slovak culture, nature and traditions.
Hi, my name is Maya and I'm the head of the promotion team. Thanks to my team, you are watching this great video and I promise you, it's not the last thing we have prepared for you.
Hi, my name is Nika and I'm head of organizational committee of our amazing conference. Together, we prove that not even a distance is an obstacle to organize such an amazing event. See you in Slovakia!